one technique is that I put my finger on my throat.
Mm-hmm.
So, because I know that the sound is supposed to make your throat vibrate when you do it.
Great.
And if it doesn't vibrate, you're probably saying an S. If it ends in a K, T, or P,
Mm-hmm.
it's supposed to end. You're supposed to say a regular S sound,
Okay.
like books.
Ah.
But if it ends in, let's say, H as in watches, you're supposed to add a Z, watches.
What about run? Let's say you add an S or a Z when you say the word run.
You would have to put a Z, run.
Good. Now, what if you have one ball and then you have another ball? So you have two